Right.
Oh, not the Beverley police. Fucking hell, they come for Richard like this.
Alright. Dylan, it's Gav, by the way.
I know it's Gav.
Right. We're going to put the door in, so...
Gav, listen.
Right. I ain't messing about. With the information that's been given, we're going to put the door in.
Listen, I'm not messing about, yeah?
Right, that's fine, but I'm just making it clear to you, open the door and we're putting it in.
Listen, Gav, I will tell you something now. I'm not in that property, so you do what you want, yeah? Like you did to every other cunt's house. You won't get in that door anywhere.
So we'll find out anyway, but I'm just having a...
Come on, hurry up then.
Alright.
What do you reckon?
Go on, my big lad. Fucking fanny. You won't get in there, mate.
It's a good door, that.
It's a good door.
Yeah.
Listen, it's a good door. It's a very good door. Listen, you need chainsaws coming through that, lad.
Hey, we're getting sooner or later, you know we will, so... It's
Listen,
just a fact
but
of
I'm
life.
not in there.
Well, we'll find out.
Yes, you will find out, Gav. Are you still checking Shelly Nutter?
Yeah, open the door! Open the door then.
Sorry.
Open the door!
Yeah, put the fucking weapon down. All you do, yeah, is bully people, you lads.
We don't bully people. If you go and bloody do stuff that you do, then we have to take action.
Well, what have I done? What have I done?
Well, come down, we'll have a chat.
Gav, I would tell you now, yeah? Because you run me estate, don't you? Well, you think you do.
You don't fucking run the estate. I don't think I do, like, but...
Yeah, you do.
Back in 2 minutes.
Please come to the door, it's going in!
What's the dog?
Bulldog, French bulldog. There's a tooth over there.
I can try and whack it.
You've got a bigger drill.
Why isn't this around working? What is that? Stop it, yeah.
Alright.
Just give it a whack.